If desired, the XT system allows you to add multiple treatments simultaneously using a controller add-on kit. This will allow you to add two 64-ounce treatments simultaneously, such as Clean for Ponds and Clear for Ponds. The controller add-on kit includes the control panel, intake assembly, and tubing. To install, simply slide the second control panel into the lid. Remove the rubber elbow attached to the secondary power cable and connect it to the second control panel. Connect the outlet tubing from the control panel to the barbed connection at the back of the enclosure. Note, pump inlet tubing and outlet tubing can be easily identified using the graphic on the peristaltic pump. Next, connect the inlet tubing from the control panel to the barb at the top of the intake assembly. Then, connect the low treatment alert cable to the control panel. Set the selected water treatment into the enclosure, remove the cap and seal, and insert the intake assembly into the bottle until snug. Complete setup by attaching the discharge tubing to the back of the enclosure. The opposite end of the tubing can be placed so that it drips into the water feature in an area with water circulation. Note, the discharge tubing can be trimmed down when the distance between the enclosure and feature is less than 6 feet. The second control panel is now ready to be programmed and primed.